Good morning, students. Before this, we have seen that Sadao has returned from America after getting the medical degree, and he became a famous surgeon. Not only a surgeon but also a scientist. One day, when he was standing on his veranda, uh, he saw the mist arising from the cold sea, and it twisted towards the it twisted from the pine trees, and within a short span of time the house of Sadao was totally covered by fog, and Sadao and his wife came. Sadao was standing on the veranda and his wife came, and they were seeing towards the sea, and they saw a mist like the human beings, and the man was coming out of the sea, and then after he dashed by the stone and fell down and started creeping, or you can say crawling or creeping, and both of them ran towards the man, and and Dr. Sadao found that the man was wounded by the bullet, and the bullet has wounded the man at the back side, and the sands which was near the wound has soaking through. There was a stain of the red soaking through. It means to say that the sand near the wound has soaked the red blood. Okay, there were the stain of the red blood. Okay, we are going to proceed. Okay, and he is wounded, Sadao exclaimed. Okay, after seeing the wound of the man, Sadao exclaimed with surprise, "Oh, this man is wounded." He made haste to the man, and he ran towards the man, who lay motionless. The man was lying motionless, his face in the sand. The man has fallen by the face side, so his face was in the sand. An old cap stuck to his head, soaked with sea water. Okay, and there was an old cap. And the cap has soaked with the sea water, soaked with the wet with the sea water. He was in wet rags. Rags means torn cloths. The man was in torn cloths. Okay, torn cloths. Sadao stopped near the man. Hannah at his side. Hannah was standing at the side of her husband and turned the man's head. Okay, and the man's head was turned by Dr. Sadao. They saw the face. Then they saw the face. A white man, Hannah whispered. Hannah said in a low tone that, "Oh, he is a white man." The wet cap fell away, and there was his wet yellow hair. Okay, and when the man was turned, his wet hat fell down. Wet cap fell away, and there was wet yellow hair, which was very long, as though for many weeks it had not been cut, and the hair of this man was not cut for a long time. And upon his young and tortured face was a rough yellow beard. Okay, upon his rough and tortured means agonized, in Hindi पीड़ित. Okay, in Hindi पीड़ित. uh, 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 okay, upon his young and tortured face. Okay, tortured, agonized. Okay, agonized face. The face was full of pain, and there was rough yellow beard on the face. Once again, upon his young and tortured face was a rough yellow beard. Okay, the face of the man was tortured or agonized, and there was a rough yellow beard. He was unconscious and knew nothing that they did for him. The man was fainted. The man was not his conscious, so he was totally unknown about what was being done with him, what they were doing with him. Now Sadao remembered the wound. So from a distance, Sadao had seen the wound of the man. and the red stain, red stain he has seen at the back of the man. So Sadao started. Sadao remembered the wound. Sadao wanted to search out the wound. Okay, okay. Sadao, all of a sudden, Sadao remembered the wound. Oh no, this man is wounded, and with his expert finger he began to search for it. Okay, you know that he was a doctor, so obviously his fingers were very expert, and he started searching out for the wound. Blood flowed freshly at his touch. As soon as Sadao touched the wound, the fresh blood started flowing. The fresh blood started flowing. On the right side of his lower back, Sadao saw that the gun wounded had been reopened. Okay, on the right side of his lower back, Sadao saw that there was the wound of the gun, and after touching of Sadao, it was reopened. It means to say the man was shot from the back side, so he was having the wound at the back side. The flesh was blackened with powder. Okay, and the flesh near about the wound became black due to the powder of the bullet. Sometime not many days ago, the man had been shot. Okay, sometime not many days have passed when this man was shot by the bullet and had not been tended, had not been cured, and this man was not cured. It was bad chance that the rock has struck the wound. Okay, and it was a bad luck or bad chance for this boy, this wounded soldier, as it has dashed to the rocks, and it has dashed to the rock, and the wound has become deep. Okay, once again I am repeating. Okay, it was a bad chance that the wound has dashed from the rock. It was a bad chance that the wound has dashed from the rock. Oh, how he is bleeding, Hannah whispered again in a solemn voice. Solemn means serious voice. I would like to tell you one thing here. Hannah was also having the degree of medical science, but she has not gone for practice. And she is saying, oh, how he is bleeding. Okay, he is bleeding too much. Hannah whispered. Hannah said in a serious tone, in a serious voice to Sadao, oh, see how much blood is coming from his wound. The mist screened them now completely. Covered. Now both of them were completely covered by the mist. At this time of the day, no one came by, and this is the evening time, so rarely the people came to that place. The fisherman had gone home, and even the chance beachcombers would have considered the day at end. Okay, I would like to tell the meaning of beachcombers. Beachcombers, those who search the beach for shells and the valuables. ठीक ना, valuables. Okay, in Hindi you can say CP वगैरह ढूंढते हैं. Okay, and the fisherman had gone home, and the beachcombers, one who search out at the beach for shells and some valuable things, all these persons have already gone because the day was finished, the day was end. What shall we do with this man? Sadao muttered. Sadao asked from his wife, what are we going to do with this man? What shall we do? What will we do with this man? He asked a question from his wife. But being a doctor, he will do his duty. But he is asking from his wife, what are we going to do with this man? But his trained hands seemed to their own will to doing what they could to stanch the fearful bleeding. Okay, but Sadao skilled hand, okay, seemed to do their own work, because the hands of Sadao wanted to stop the bleeding. Here is one word, stanch. Stanch means stop the bleeding. Fearful, dangerous bleeding, too much bleeding. He packed the wound with the sea moss. Okay, and Sadao found some sea moss in Hindi. the moss which is found at the seaside, means kai in Hindi, and the wound of that man was covered by the sea moss that strewed, that spread at the beach, that spread at the beach. The man moaned, the man cried with pain. The man moaned, the man cried with pain. The man cried with pain. Okay. In his stupor, stupor means, my dear, mental insensibility. The man cried in his mental insensibility but did not awaken. But the man did not awaken. Okay. The man did not rise. The man did not rise. Okay. The best thing that we could do would be to put him back in the sea, Sadao said, answering himself. Okay. Answering himself. Okay. And Sadao answered himself that it would be best thing for us to throw the man again in the water. Now the bleeding was stopped. For the moment he stood up and dusted the sand from his hands. Now the bleeding of that man was stopped. Why the bleeding was stopped? Because the wound was covered by the sea moss. Okay. And Sadao stood up and he cleaned his hand from the dust. He cleaned the dust from his hands. He cleaned the dust from his hand. Yes, undoubtedly that would be best, Hannah said steadily. Hannah said steadily. Okay. Hannah said yes, that would be the best thing. That would be the best thing. Steadily means quietly. Hannah said quietly, that would be the best thing. That would be the best thing. Undoubtedly, without any doubt, that would be the best thing, Hannah said. Okay. But she continued to stare down at the motionless. But she continuously seeing to that man who was motionless, who was unconscious, who was fainted. The doctor and Hannah was continuously staring, looking, seeing that motionless man. If we sheltered a white man in a house, we should be arrested, and if we turned him over as a prisoner, he would certainly die, Sadao said. Here, you will see that here Sadao is in the condition of mental dilemma. Here are two types of duty. First duty, being a doctor. Being a doctor, he should cure him. And he is saying to his wife, if this man is not cured at this time, obviously he will die. And if we are going to hand over him as a prisoner, surely he will die. Surely he will die. Sadao said. Sadao asked, my dear, you will see here that the doctor is in the condition of dilemma. What is to be done? Being a doctor, he should treat him because it is his responsibility. All his skill, all his education was only to save the life of a dying man. But he is a Japanese, and if he is going to give shelter or treat him, he will called as a traitor. He will be hanged. He will be hanged. So here he is thinking that what is to be done with this man. If we are going to give the shelter to this man, we will be called traitor. We will be arrested. And if we turned him as a prisoner, surely he will die. He will die surely. Okay, Sadao said. The kindest thing would be to put him back into the sea, Hannah said. Okay. Hannah said that it would be the most kindest thing which we are going to do with this man, do to this man, that we should put the man again into the sea. They were staring with a curious repulsion upon the inert figure. Repulsion means hatred. Repulsion means hatred. Okay. And inert means motionless. And both of them were looking to the man, looking to that motionless man with hatred. Once again. Okay. But neither of them moved. None of them moved from there. They were staring with a curious repulsion. Curious repulsion means hatred, odd, strange hateness, odd hateness, odd hatred, odd hatred. Both of them were looking to that prisoner with odd hatred. ठीक ना? And to the figure of that motionless man, they were looking to the figure of that motionless man with hatred. What is he? Hannah whispered. Hannah asked, what is he means from where he is? Who is he? There is something about him that looks American, Sadao said. Sadao said that by the uniform and or by the first appearance, by the face, he is looking like American. He looks American. He took up the battered cape. He took up the battered cape. Yes, he took up the battered. Battered means torn. Okay, torn. Okay. He raised the torn hats. Yes, they are almost gone. Was the faint lettering. A sailor, he said, from an American warship. Okay, and he said that it is written a sailor, but the letters are very fainted, the letters are very weak, he said, and he is from American warship. He is from American warship. Warship means a ship for war purpose. A ship for war purpose. Okay. And from an he spelled it out, and he 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 recited it, he repeated it, he read it, he read the letters. US Navy, the man was a prisoner of war. Okay, it was written US Navy, and the man was a prisoner of war. Okay, he has escaped, Hannah cried softly, and that's why he is wounded in the back. Okay, Hannah said that this man has tried to escape. This is the reason that he is wounded. Sadao said, yes, this is the reason that he is having the bullet. He was shot at the back. He is having the bullet at his backside. They hesitated, looking at each other. Then Hannah said with resolution. Okay, and both of them were seeing towards the man with the hesitation. Hesitation. Both of them were in two minds. Okay, and at last Hannah came to the decision. Resolution means decision. Hannah came to a final decision. Come, are we able to put him back into the sea? Okay, Hannah said, yes, come. And if both of us are able to put the man in the sea, are we able? Can we put the man again in the sea? If I am able, are you? Sadao asked from his wife. If I am able to put the man again in the sea, are you able? No, Hannah said, but if you can do it alone. Hannah refused to do it. Hannah said that no, I am not able to do this. You have to do all the work by all alone. Okay. He said that if the all alone. Okay. Sadao hesitated again, and there was hesitation. Hesitation means in two minds. Sadao was in two minds at that time. The strange thing is, he said that if the man were whole, I could turn him over to the police without difficulty. Okay. Sadao said that if man was perfect, man was whole, means he was not wounded by the bullet, he was not having any bullet in his body, then there was no problem for me to hand over him to the police. I was having no difficulty to hand over him to the police. I care nothing for him. I don't bother about him. He is my enemy. All Americans are my enemy, and he is only common fellow. You see how foolish his face is. But at this time, he is a common fellow, simple fellow. Okay, he is enemy. He is our enemy, but he is unconscious. He is fainted. Okay, you see how foolish his face is. Okay, how foolish, how simple he is looking. How foolish, how simple this man is looking. How simple. This man is looking very simple. Okay, yes. And but since he is wounded, okay, and this man is wounded at this time. You also cannot throw him back into the sea. Hannah said it means that you are also unable to throw the man again in the sea. Then there is only one thing to do. We must carry him into the house. Okay, then there is only one thing that we can do. Let us carry the man in our house. Okay, Okay, my dear, here I would like to tell you one thing. It was Hannah who has taken decision that in fact Sadao wanted to carry the man in his house, but he has not said this. It was the wife of Hannah who said that let us carry the man into the house. This word is expressing that the lady was full of compassion, full of mercy, kind-hearted lady. Okay, but Okay, but the servants, Sadao inquired. Sadao asked from his wife, what about the servants? If the servants comes to know, they will inform to the police. They will inform to the police. Okay, and we must simply tell them that we intend to give him to the police. Okay, as we must, Sadao. Okay, we must think of the children and your position. Once again, we must simply tell them that we are intended to hand him over to the police. Okay, we will tell them we are having intention of giving this man to the police. We are having intention to give this man to the police, and in fact, indeed, really we are going to do this. We must think of the children and your position. Okay, and Haina said that, but we should think about the children, about your position. It would endanger all of us if we did not give this man over as a prisoner of war. Haina said that if we are not going to give this man as a prisoner of war, we will be in danger. We will be in danger. Okay, certainly we will be in danger. Okay, okay, certainly. Sadao said, yes, of course. Sadao said, I would not think of doing anything else. I do not think. Okay, but I am not having any other option to do. I am not having any other option to do instead of curing him. They agreed together. They agreed. Thus agreed. Thus both of them get agreed. Thus both of them get agreed. Together they lifted the man. He was light like a fowl bird. Okay, and both of them lifted the man. He was very light. He was very light. He was not heavy. He was like a fowl, like a bird. He had been half starved for a long time, because this man has not got food for a long time, and he was almost half starved. तकरीबन मर चुका था आधा. Until it is only feathers. Okay, only feathers and skeleton were remaining in his body. Only feathers and skeleton were remaining in the body of that man. Okay, so his arms hanging, they carried him to the steps into the side door of the house. Okay, and the man was carried to the side door of the house. This door opened into a passage, and that door opened into the passage, and down the passage they carried the man towards the empty bedroom, and down the passage the man was carried to an empty bedroom. It had been the bedroom of Sadao's father. This bedroom was the bedroom of Sadao's father, and since his death it had not been used, and as the father of Sadao had already died, so the room was empty and it was out of use. It had not been used for a long time. For a long time means after the death of his father. They had the man of the deeply matted floor, and the room was having a deeply matted floor. Okay, means there was a deep mat, and the man was put on that. Everything here had been Japanese to please the old man. Everything which was in that room of the Japanese style to make happy to that old man, who would never in his house sit on a chair or sleep in a foreign bed. Okay, and the father of Sadao had never sat on a foreign chair or sleep on a foreign bed. Sleep in a foreign bed. Haina went to the wall cupboards and slid back the door and took out a soft quilt. She hesitated. The quilt was covered with the flowered silk, and the lining was pure white silk. Okay, means to say that Haina went to the wall cupboards. Haina went to the wall cupboards and she opened the cupboards and got out a quilt. Okay, but the quilt was too decorated with the flowers, and it was made of silk. So she was having hesitation whether I should put the quilt on the mat and put the man on the quilt or not. He is so dirty, she muttered in a distress. Disgust. खींचकर, in Hindi खींचकर. Okay, she muttered. She said in disgusting way, "Oh, how dirty this man. Yes, he had better be washed." Sadao agreed. "If you will fetch hot water, I will wash him." Okay, Sadao said, to his wife Hannah that yes, it would be better if he is washed. If you will bring hot water, I will wash him. I cannot bear you to touch him. I cannot, she said. Hannah said, no, I am not going to touch him. I am not going to touch him. I cannot bear this, that I am going to touch him. We shall have to tell the servants he is here. We should inform to the servants they are here. I will tell Yumi now, and she can leave the children for a few minutes and she can wash him. Hannah said that I am going to inform Yumi, I am going to tell Yumi, and Yumi is here, and she will leave the children for some minute and she can wash this man. Sadao considered, Sadao thought for a moment, let it be so, okay, do as you like, He agreed. You tell Yumi and I will tell others. You are going to tell Yumi, I will tell to others, okay. But the utter pallor of the man's unconscious face moved him first to stoop and feel his pulse. Okay, pallor means paleness. Utter means complete. There was a complete paleness on the face of that man. So the doctor stooped, bent. Stoop means bent, and he and feel his pulse, and the doctor touched his pulse, tried to know his pulse. It was faint, but it was there. The pulse was very low, but it was there. It was working there. And he put his hand against the man's cold breast, and the doctor put his hand on the cold breast of the man. The heart too was yet alive, and the heart was still alive. He will die unless he is operated, Sadao said, considering. Okay, Sadao said that if this man is not going to be operated, obviously he will die. Sadao said this. Okay, considering, thinking, pondering. Okay, the question is whether he will die anyway. But Sadao again said that the question is that he has to die anyway. He has to die. If we are going to treat him, he will die. If we are not going to treat him, he will die. Here is two things I would like to explain. If we are going to treat him, so being a doctor, I am going to save the life of this man. But after treating, when he will be recovered, I will hand over him to the army, to the police. Okay, so he is saying that anyhow he has to die. Okay. Hannah cried out in fear, don't try to save him. What if he should lie? Okay, and Hannah cried out, oh no, don't try to save the life of this man. What will he do to live? जी कर क्या करेगा यार? Okay, what if he should die? Sadao replied, what if he should die? But Sadao asked, suppose that he died. What is the meaning of this? Okay, by the way, he stood gazing down to the motionless man. He was standing there and he was looking towards that fainted, that motionless man. The man must have extraordinary vitality. Vitality means strength. Okay, the man was having some extraordinary strength in his body, or he would have been dead by now. Either he would have been died till now. He would have been dead till now. But then he was very young, perhaps not at 25. And when he was shot by the bullet, he was very young. Almost he is 25 years old. You mean die from the operation? Hannah asked. Okay. You mean die from the operation? Hannah asked. Okay. Yes, Sadao said. Hannah considered this doubtfully, and when she did not answer, Sadao turned away. Hannah considered this, and Hannah started thinking about this with doubt towards her husband. When she did not answer, Sadao turned away, and when she had not given any answer, Sadao turned from there. At any rate, something must be done with him, he said. Okay, anyhow, something must be done with this man. At first, he must be washed. First of all, wash this man, because he must be washed first of all. He went quickly out of the room and Hannah came behind him. Okay, and the doctor at once came out of the room. Hannah followed her husband because she did not wish to be left alone with the white man, because she did not want to be all alone in the room with the white man. He was the first she had seen since she left America, and this is the first man whom she had seen after leaving America. Now he seemed to have nothing to do with those she had known there, and Hannah is thinking that I am having nothing to do with those men whom I know in America. Here he was her enemy, a menace, living or dead. Okay, and she is saying that here this man is a menace, this man is a problem, this man is a menace, this man is a menace, this man is a problem, okay, for us, whether it is living or dead. Okay, and I think that is sufficient for today. Okay guys, thank you, have a nice day. I think that is sufficient for today. We will meet in next lecture. Thank you.